Good morning from Greece. I think hello is yassou in Greek. I've not been doing my Duolingo. In the excitement of crossing the border and then the thunderstorm, I forgot. Shame, because I have two incredible new Patreon supporters. Amazing. So thank you so much to Top Secret Confidential, but you know who you are, and Hadrianus. Thank you so much for becoming patrons. And thank you to Lee, who, to celebrate my arrival in Greece, is shouting me some euros over on PayPal. So thank you so much. I'm really excited to explore Greece. Really happy to have you all along with me. Thank you so much. That's my river. That's my highway from yesterday, but I found this little service road, so I can follow this now, although it does pretty much stay side by side with the highway for about 50 kilometers to Ceres. Hopefully I'll pass through some villages, otherwise it's really lovely countryside to enjoy. These may be the guys that were keeping me awake last night. Don't be afraid. Actually, I'm a bit afraid now. I've got a tailwind, and this is presumably the old road before the highway came along, which I have all to myself. Greece is off to a very nice start. The thing about having your own private road, of course, is that nobody is maintaining it for you, and all the silt comes out of the flood runoff and leaves a big muddy puddle. What is this? Surely it's too early for figs. I couldn't possibly. Oh, this is going to have to be so underripe, hey? Yeah. I need to be patient. Tailwind! I'm not even pedaling, and it's flat. I'm just going to cruise all the way to Ceres. Arrived in Ceres, where I'll be spending the weekend, and I'm absolutely thrilled with my first day in Greece. I've met some lovely people who I have frustratingly not been able to communicate with, and found some bits of ancient Greece just lying around. So, very nice start to my 3 months here.